Giving old things new life is really a part of who I am. I like to share that with you all on my YouTube channel. So this was a piece that I found recently, actually on eBay, that is an old truing stand that was at least patented by the Dudley company in 1895. So I'm guessing this is around, if not more than 100 years old. This truing stand also appears to have seen some use. Perhaps it was dropped, it's cast. It has this one part that was repaired at one time, welded back together and bolted using this extra iron sheet. For this restoration, I'd like to get rid of that, clean those welds up, and make it a little better. At some point also, someone added on these different attachments welded onto the arms of the truing stand. And I'm going to take these two pieces and actually combine them and make into one, which I think was what the last owner at least intended, and that's why we had two of those bottom plates. Taking it apart also, I found this old spoke nipple, which shows some of the history on this truing stand. At some point also, someone spray painted almost everything on the stand with some silver spray paint. Really did kind of a nasty number on everything. Fixing this up also, I wanted to try a product that was sent to me recently from Starbond. It's some CA glue with accelerant that I actually used already once on the Bontrager restoration to repair the bike seat. I didn't show that at all because I was really just testing this product out, and I'm quite impressed with it. It's a really versatile glue that you can actually kind of use like epoxy or plastic, and here I'm using it to fill in the holes that were drilled in to add in that support bar that had been used as part of the repair. And the CA glue actually worked really well. With the accelerant, you can solidify different parts of it and do several layers. It's kind of a fun product. There'll be a link to it in the description below that you can check out and try some out. I'm continuing to test it out and use it on different things. It's kind of fun. as I wrap this up, again, I just want to thank you all for watching. This was a fun project again to repair and build up an old vintage truing stand that's around 100 years old. I feel like it turned out great. I love the gold accent paint. It was a fun project to do. A little bit of cycling history. So, look for opportunities to give those old things new life. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.